everyone! My friends, I am with you again, Timosh. How are you? In this video we will show a very interesting toy that one of the plane pilots threw into the sky. Take a look. It will be very interesting. I hope you like it. Whoa!
Mem, what is this? I wonder if I should take this away from you. Although you play first and then Eily take it away.
Woo!
Yes!
Wow, what have you got? Are you going to play with this toy now? Cool? Well, I wish you good luck.
We can't wait to play with this toy. It looks very cool. Eily, take the red one for myself and give the yellow one to my friend. Now, we'll show you everything. Stay with us.
I am the strongest here.
And what about me? Oh, wait. Eily catch you now.
Yes. Well, friends, we have collected our airplanes. Now it is time to fly. Let us get started, and you stay with us and watch. My friends, we really enjoyed playing this game. And you? If yes, then don't forget to subscribe and like. Next time we will make more interesting videos.